All right, so today I'm going to teach you how to clean a toilet in under a minute and 30 seconds. So let's talk about what you're going to need and why that's important. So what are we going to need? 315, we need a disinfectant that's going to disinfect the outside of our bowls. We're going to need an acid bowl cleaner. This is phosphoric acid, works great, won't hurt chrome. This is what you want to use when you're cleaning the inside of your toilet. Of course, you're going to need your toilet brush, a set of gloves, disposable nitrile gloves, and you'll need your microfiber towels. So why is this important? Well, 90% of your cost as a janitorial company goes to your labor. So for you to know how long it takes to clean one toilet, you can then count toilets let's say you're going to a bid, and tell them it's going to take me X amount. I can't get it done any more than a minute 30 per fixture. Add that up and that tells you the minimum amount it's going to take you just to clean the bathrooms. So let's get into that. It's very important to know. Now, if I was cleaning the rest of the restroom, now would be a great time for me to go away, let my disinfectant, my chemical, my acid in my toilet do its job so I have to work less. But since this is just about the toilet, we're going to jump right in and just finish this job. Now, whenever I'm wiping down, it's always cleanest to dirtiest. So a lot of times when we do quotes, it's how long do things take, because labor is the most intensive thing. So that's a great video of showing you how long it should take to clean one singular toilet.